Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Arch Linux or you're thinking about switching to it, you probably already know that package management can feel a little intimidating, especially for newcomers. While Pacman is powerful, it does have a learning curve. And that's exactly where Shelly comes in. The developers behind Shelly have just released version 2.4, bringing major improvements to both usability and security. So, let's take a look at what's new for those who haven't heard of it before. Shelly is an open source package manager designed specifically for Arch Linux. Think of it as a modern alternative to Pacman that combines a user friendly graphical interface with a powerful command line experience. What's really interesting is that Shelly doesn't just manage traditional Arch packages, it also supports the AUR, Flatpak applications, and even app images, all from a single interface. And recently, Shelly became the default GUI package manager in CachyOS, which shows just how much attention this project is getting. Now, let's talk about the biggest changes in version 2.4. First up, the command line interface has received a major overhaul. Shelly now includes Zesh completions and introduces a Pacman-style shortcode system. This means users familiar with Pacman or Yay will feel right at home. AppImage support has also improved significantly. Shelly can now display available AppImage updates directly in the interface, while desktop entry handling and background event tracking have been refined for a smoother experience. Flatpak support has received some attention as well. Version 2.4 fixes upgrade related issues and resolves scrolling problems in the user interface. For AUR users, Shelly now adds more useful information, including package version numbers in the update view, along with maintainer details and last updated dates in search results. Another welcome addition is support for DOAs as an alternative to sudo for privilege elevation. There's also a new option to manually select your preferred language directly from the settings menu. But perhaps the most impressive updates are focused on security. Starting with version 2.4, Shelly continuously analyzes package install scripts for potentially dangerous behavior. It looks for dynamic code execution techniques that could hide malicious actions. This includes things like command substitution, eval statements, shell indirection, and encoded commands that are decoded and executed later. Shelly also introduces lightweight deobfuscation to detect hidden tool names and suspicious code patterns. And there's even protection against homograph and IDN spoofing attacks. In simple terms, Shelly can detect misleading characters and look-alike text designed to trick users into installing malicious software. These features help users identify risky packages before they run potentially harmful scripts on their systems. Overall, Shelly 2.4 continues its mission of making Arch Linux more accessible without sacrificing power or security. If you're an Arch user looking for a modern package manager that works with traditional packages, the AUR, Flatpak, and app images all in one place, Shelly might be worth checking out. What do you think about Shelly? Would you replace Pacman or Yay with it? Or do you prefer sticking with the traditional tools? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Linux news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.